Good morning, my friends. It is currently 8 a.m. I've been up since 4. There was an unexpected thunderstorm. It was a dry thunderstorm, so there wasn't rain. There was just a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, really scary thunder to the point where I woke up. I didn't even sleep that early either. I slept at midnight, maybe 12:30 or 1, and then I woke up at 4. I was going to have just a peaceful sleep, but I'm a light sleeper. I saw flashes of light under my eyelids, and then the thunder was just terrifying. I had to sleep with music on. I also can't sleep with music on, but it calms me down. So basically I was just lying in bed listening to music. Anywho, so I got 4, maybe 3 hours of sleep, but you know what? That's okay. At least I had an early start to my morning. I just brushed my teeth. I usually do my skincare after I shower. I am a morning shower person. Sometimes I shower at night, but by the end of the day, I have no energy to stand in a shower. I don't remember the last time I washed my hair, but my hair has been holding its waves so well. I have been using a new shampoo and conditioner. Before though, by the second day, my waves would just fall apart. It's really holding up though, and I haven't washed my hair in days. I have been using Function of Beauty's shampoo and conditioner. I've used this for a while and it's helped my hair so much. This video is actually kindly sponsored by Function of Beauty, so thank you to them for partnering with me. Everyone has different hair, different scalps, different needs. So what I like about Function of Beauty is that you can customize your hair products. All you have to do is fill out a 2-minute quiz with your hair type, your hair goals, preferences. I personally have a wavy, medium, dry profile. And then for hair goals, I chose anti-frizz, curl definition, volumize, hydrate, and strengthen. You can also choose the fragrance and the colors. You guys know I love floral scents. I love smelling like a flower. So I chose their rose scent. It was the Strike a Rose fragrance. It smells so good. It smells like roses, but it's also fruity, so you smell like a fruity flower. And then to go with that, I chose a nice delicate pink color, kind of matches my pajamas. And then for the conditioner, I opted for no color, just so it has that nice cute aesthetic look. I thought the pink and the white would pair together. Since this is customized, you also get to put your name on it. My bottles say Function of Nina. You can put any nickname, just your first name, whatever you want. Function of Beauty's products have no parabens, no sulfates, GMOs, or toxins. It's also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. I also have a leave-in treatment. You basically put this on after you showered. You leave this in your hair and it just hydrates and softens your hair. They have other hair care products you can choose to your liking. They have leave-in treatments, hair masks, serums, all that. I do feel like it has volumized my hair. My hair looks and feels stronger and the curls are still holding up. So I just appreciate how I can customize the products to my hair needs. My hair has also been smelling amazing. So if you want to get some Function of Beauty products, I will have a link down below that you can use. Just use my link and you can get 20% off of your first order. I'm gonna go shower now. Time to get ready for a very long day. It's cold. Now it's time to wash my face. I'm running out of this. Gently pat dry. I'm gonna breeze through my skincare as usual. Nice to have some kind of routine in my life. Just put my favorite moisturizers on and then finally sunscreen. Oh, I'm ready to go. Actually, I have to put makeup on. Okay. My hair smells nice. Did you hear that? Nice and wavy. All done with the makeup. The sun is out and it is 10:10. So time got away from me. It is currently 4 p.m. I had to do a bunch of important stuff that I couldn't film. Now I can kind of relax and take care of the stuff that I need to get done. I am going to bullet journal. I have to plan the next few days. Need to get myself organized. Getting all my supplies out. I think it's always good to take some time out of your day to plan, to get yourself organized before you move on to other things. I have to finish editing a video I was supposed to upload today, but the video needed a bit more time to edit, so I decided to give myself another day instead of staying up till 3 a.m. I have to kind of fix my schedule. I'm eating tomatoes, by the way. It's fine. Just gonna wipe this off a little bit. Tomatoes are one of my favorite snacks, especially these colorful ones. Last week was a very busy week. It was so busy that I couldn't even check off the things that I did. Let me just make sure I did. I didn't do that. I didn't publish my video because I need more time. Obviously, you've probably already seen the video by now because this video came after that one. But now I'm going to plan. Something that I really need to do now is write down all of the important dates for BTS's comeback. It was basically their schedule for the comeback, but the picture keeps getting lost in my camera roll. I can't do this anymore. I'm going to finally write down the dates and time. I have kept up with everything, but I'm always afraid I'm going to miss something. Music video teaser. The thing is, by the time you're watching this, Dynamite's already out. I hope and know that the song is going to be great. I have finished, but let's start editing. Here we go. By the way, this is the Blue microphone. A lot of content creators use this. Specifically, this is the Blue Yeti microphone. Not sponsored, I just have it. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Testing. I'm not the biggest fan of that. But why are voiceovers so hard? I'm saying the same thing over and over. Each time it sounds the same, Nina. Anyway, that's done. I am going to continue editing later. For now, I wanted to take care of a few tasks, just get them out of the way. I didn't even realize this was in the shot. I quickly went out today, so I just put on some sunscreen. This one was for my body, but I wanted to show you my turntable. I got a turntable and speakers. I guess I am now collecting records. So I actually got this because I impulsively bought BTS's vinyl for Dynamite. It was early in the morning for me when it was announced, and I had the chance to buy it before it sold out. Not this, the vinyl. So I ordered the vinyl, but then I realized I don't have a turntable. So I scoured the internet for a turntable. This was highly recommended. This is the Audio-Technica ATLP60X. It was either the 60 or the 120. I went with the 60 because I love simplicity. I've been playing it for the last few days and I love it. I did have to buy a couple records though, because then I realized after buying this, I'm not gonna have the BTS vinyl for a while. By the time you're watching this video, it's already available, but I went ahead and got some records. I will play one for you. So with this, you do have to get separate speakers. This was just the best-selling, most reviewed one. These are active speakers and you just set it up all together and it plays music beautifully. I actually always wanted a turntable. I've wanted one since my Tumblr days. I would say probably around 2014. I was never brave enough though to get one, but now I got myself one. This was honestly one of my best purchases. No regrets. I love it. It's a good time. Good vibes. One of the albums I got is Ariana Grande's Sweetener. This is one of my favorite albums. And now I have it in vinyl. I think the fact that you just get to interact with the music is kind of interesting to me. You have to carefully get it out of the sleeve. Once it's done playing, you have to flip it over. I just think it's fun. So all you do is just place it, close it, and then I didn't even plug it. I only plug it when I use it. Also, as you can see, I did change my room a little bit. I had to put my audio system over here, and then my rainbow color coordinated books are over here. It was quite the change to do, but I love it now. Now let me just make sure that everything's on. Let's hear it. There it goes. I love it. It's also automatic. This also does come with a remote. I just muted it. Now I'm just going to chill out and fold some laundry. My laundry has been sitting for quite a while. It's clean laundry, I just had to fold it. But the vibes are so great. It's so good! I just tidied up a little bit and now I think I'm going to make dinner. It's almost 7 p.m. I'm not really sure what I want to make. I have a lot of tofu and a lot of kimchi, so I think I'm going to try to make kimchi jjigae. It's basically kimchi soup, so shouldn't be too hard to make. I'm excited. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. Hot, but pretty, kind of. I haven't made this in a long time. After so long, I made dinner for my whole family. I'm so proud of myself. Let's taste. Hopefully I cooked the tofu long enough that it absorbed the flavor. Wow. I made that? Oh, gotta dip some rice. Oh my goodness. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of ketchup, I will admit it does taste better when you add ketchup. Because kimchi is so salty, the sweetness, I understand now. I get it. Wow. I don't wear tank tops often, so I am chilly, but that is pretty much it for this day. I'm surprised I made it this far. I had 3 hours of sleep. My brain and my body are very tired. I am going to try to sleep at an appropriate time for once, and hopefully there's not another thunderstorm so I can actually get some sleep and not wake up at 4 a.m. I hope you had a good time spending this day with me, and as mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting something from Function of Beauty, I do have a link that you can use. Just use my link down below and you'll get 20% off of your first order. It is time for me to get unready. That is going to be it for me. Thank you for watching, and I will see your lovely face next time. Goodbye, my friends.